Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to log out from your LinkedIn account, of course. So first of all, of course, you'll need the LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my LinkedIn here first. And as you can see here, that is the home page of LinkedIn. So if you want to log out, you would like to go to your settings. We have two options to go to settings. Of course, you will need just to click at your icon at the top left corner here, then maybe click at settings, and that's the first option. Of course, you can go back here and go and click at the same icon, then click at view profile here. Then of course the second option is by clicking at your icon at the top right corner here, which is the settings icon. Here, of course, after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, of course you'll find here an option called sign out. Maybe it's not shown to you, but it's an option before the last option, which is the version of LinkedIn. So here we have the sign out option, as I said, and if you click on that, as you can see, if you want to remember sign in info, so you'll be able to sign in next time without having to enter your username or password. So if you click on remember and sign out, that means the other time that you want to log into your account on or sign in, that you will not need to enter your username or even password. If you don't want to do that, if you want just to log out from or sign out from your account, just go and click at sign out and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.